Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, today discuss here a very important lecture, a vice screw. And this part is a drawing here, and this part is a vice screw, and how to this body is designed here. And this project is a bench wise lathe machine, and at first one by one all parts is a drawing here, and last is this body is assemble here. Okay, and you can see here on the screen, this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all dimension is, you can see here on the screen, is a right view. Then right plane is select here is better, and this is isometric view is this body, and all dimension is inches, is a very important. Okay, and drawing this body. Okay, this is a perfect drawing here, and how to this body is drawing here. And this lecture is very important for a beginner student and also a professional student, is very important. And all parts is one by one, and all process is learn here. This body is designed, and how to this body is designed. Okay, all point is learn here easily and clearly, one by one. Okay guys, let's start here. This body is designed. At first going to this part, and the part is a select here this, and some setting is very important. And at first going to this is a unit, each setting here is inch pound second. Okay, IPS. And going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line looking perfect and correct. Okay guys, and okay, select this is a right plane is a select here, and this cutout is circle is this, and this is a top view is top plane is select here. Okay, and all geometry value is you can see here, this is a full length is 6.25 inch. Okay, and this is a 0.38 inch and 0.25 inch, and this is a 0.81 inch. Okay, and this is a thread cutout is a 29-degree angle, and 0.08 and 0.06. Okay, one by one all point is a learn here. Okay, a drawing a select a plane is a right plane. Select a line. A line is a drawing a sketch a geometry, or drawing a part. Then all one by one is value here. Well, this value is a define here. Okay, and select this. Okay, and this is a okay, and this is a drawing here this. Okay, select here. Okay, and drawing this body, and this is a connect to this to this. Okay, and this is a 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a okay, and this is a this, and okay, and this value is a okay, and this is a this. Okay, and at first select a full distance is a drawing here this, a full is a 6.25 inch. 6.25 inch is perfect. Okay, this is a full, and this is a 0.38 inch and 0.81 inch. Okay, this length is a 0. Okay, 38 inch. 38 inch is a this. Okay, and some is a drag here this. Okay, and this is a perfect drawing some drag here this is a drag this. Okay, and again this is a dimension is a 0.81 inch. Okay, and this is a dimension is a 0.25 inch, and also this is a length is a 0.25 inch. Okay, all is better. And but very important relation, select this line and press a control button and select this line, and this line is a going to this is a collinear, is perfect relation, and this relation is very important. Okay, and this line is some drag here. Okay, and again select this is a 0.25 inch. Okay, and again this is a 0.13 inch. Okay, and this distance is a 0.19 inch, is perfect. Okay, and this distance is a this, and again this distance is a 3.94 inch. Okay, and this distance is a 0.34 inch. Okay, all is perfect drawing here, and select this is a 0.38 inch, and this distance is a 0.25 inch, and this is a 0.81 inch, and this is distance is a 0.25 inch, and this distance is a 3.94 inch, and this is a use this 0.19, this is a 0.19 inch, and this distance is a 0.25 inch, and this distance is a 0.13 inch, and all is a this, and this profile is drawing here this. Okay, and this distance is a this is a 0.34 inch. All is perfect. Okay, all value is mentioned here one by one. Okay, all is perfect, and drawing this. Okay, all is perfect drawing here. Okay guys, all point is all dimension is perfect drawing here, and all is fully defined, means this is a fully defined. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and going to this okay, revolve boss base is apply here, and this base is select here, and okay, this is a perfect. And going to material is select here, and material is a nickel, and going to this appearance, and this is a metal, and going to this nickel, and this is a perfect. Okay, and thread is apply here, and select this face sketch, select upper line and convert entities. Okay, and going to this curve, and this is a helix and a spiral. Okay, and helix and a spiral is a perfect, and going to this is a height and pitch is select here. Okay, and constant pitch is perfect, and height is a 4.025 inch, and pitch is a 0.125 inch, and direction is reverse because direction is this, and reverse direction is better, and start angle is 90 degree and clockwise. All is perfect and okay. Okay, and this is a path is a drawing here, and profile is a going to this right plane sketch normal. Okay, and profile is drawing here, and select this profile is a drawing here. This is a some line is a okay, this is a this line is a horizontal. Okay, a center line is a select here, this midpoint to this, and this is a vertical. Okay, and drawing a some angle is this is a 29 degree. Okay, and this profile length is a 0.08, and height is this is a height is a 0.06 inch. Okay, this is a perfect drawing here, and angle is this, and this profile is a perfect because this is a profile is drawing here. This angle is 29 degree and 0.08 inch and 0.06 inch is this. Okay, all is perfect. And going to this, okay, exit, and going to this sweep cut is apply here, and this is a automatic is a profile is select here, and path is just select this. Okay, this is a select this body, and okay, preview is showing here. Okay, and going to this, click here. Okay, and this thread is a cutout is perfect. Okay, some little time is a counting here, and okay, all process is learn here. Okay, this is a perfect cutout, and this line is a hide. Okay, Control Z is okay, and this line is select here, and this hide. Okay, okay, all point is perfect. Okay, okay, and next is a cutout is a select here this, this cutout is a use a top plane, and this is a the fillet is 0.6, and this use a circle is cutout. Okay, select a top plane, sketch normal. Okay, drawing a center line. Okay, drawing a center line is this. Okay, okay, vertical line is automatic select here, draw a center. Okay, this diameter is a 0.34 inch, and this length is a 0.41 inch. Okay, and this is a 0.34 inch, and this distance is a 0.41 inch. Okay, and okay, this is a fully defined, and going to this extrude cut, and this is a through all both side is cutting here, and okay, okay. Some little time is spent here, some little time is because all is counting this. Okay, this body is drawing this body. Okay, and use a fillet. A fillet is a 0.06 inch. Okay, this fillet is a 0.06 inch, and this is a select here this and this. Okay, and some little time is spent here because all thread is a cutting here, all process is learn here. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and this is a shape is a layer and some color, and color is a this is better. Okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, looking perfect, and this is a color, and going to this, and okay, 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 all is perfect and correct is drawing here, and all is perfect, and isometric view is this. Okay, and guys, all point is learn here one by one, and okay, all is perfect and correct, and guys, next lecture is coming soon, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, thank you.